Best practice number 16. Use a clear call to action at the end of your videos to encourage viewers to engage with your content. Best practice number 17. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and questions. Best practice number 18. Utilize the YouTube Shorts camera and editing tools to create unique and engaging content. Best practice number 19. Keep your content fresh and exciting by experimenting with new ideas and formats. Best practice number 20. Use analytics to track the performance of your videos and make data-driven decisions about your content strategy. Thanks for watching this video. I have prepared 15-module complimentary course on the topic Exploring the World of YouTube Shorts for Businesses. Grab your copy by clicking the link given in description. And don't forget to like and share this video and hit the bell icon so you can get all updated videos in future.